In today's video, I am going to teach you how to turn Constant Contact email into template. If you already have an email campaign in Constant Contact that you want to reuse later, turning it into a template is a simple and very useful option. This helps you save time, keep your branding consistent, and avoid rebuilding the same layout from scratch every time you create a new email. I will walk you through the process clearly so you can do it in just a moment. Start by logging into your Constant Contact account. Once you are signed in, make sure you are on your main dashboard. This is where you can access your existing campaigns and manage your email content. From there, navigate to the Campaigns tab. This section contains the email campaigns you have already created, including drafts, sent emails, and other campaign types depending on your account activity. Opening this area will allow you to find the specific email you want to turn into a reusable template. Now locate the email campaign you wish to convert. Take a moment to confirm that you are selecting the correct one, especially if you have several campaigns with similar names. It is a good idea to choose a campaign that already has the structure, design, and content style you want to reuse in future emails. Once you have found the right campaign, click the More icon, which appears as 3 dots next to that campaign. This opens a menu with additional actions you can take for that email. Look through the list and select Save as Template. This option tells Constant Contact to create a reusable version of that campaign without changing the original email itself. After selecting that option, you will be asked to enter a name for your template. Choose a name that is clear and easy to recognize later. For example, you may want to name it based on the type of email, the layout, or the purpose it serves. A descriptive name can make it much easier to find when you are creating future campaigns. Once you have entered the template name, click Save. Constant Contact will then store that email as a template in your account, and you can use it again whenever you need it. That is all there is to it. You have now turned an existing Constant Contact email into a template that can help streamline your future email creation process.